Hey guys, the POV photo guy here, and today will be a very special POV session with the brand new Lensbaby Obscura. Yes, look at that. So let's go around the city and I will tell you more about the new Lensbaby Obscura. The Obscura, technically it's a pinhole lens, what means it needs a lot of light. Unfortunately, our city has a constant cloud and rain in the past few weeks, so I cannot shoot sunlight, but later on I'm going to the city and take pictures with the city lights. So as you can see, there is three options there. F90, yes, you heard it right, F90, F45 and F22. There is a tram coming over there, so let's see. At F90, that's nice. The sunlight is very beautiful. So still on F90 and ISO 8000. Let's see. The Obscura is not for everybody, it's for photographers who really like to tighten the boundaries. F45. You need to be creative with this lens. What about this one? F22. The lights are on now, so let's see how it looks like. F22. The Obscura comes with two versions. One is the full frame version and this one is the Micro Four Third version, what is a 16mm pancake lens. The concept of the Obscura is go back to the origin of the photography, to the pinhole photography. So this is absolutely not for sport photographer, but who you like to experiment with the light. So as you can see, there is no aperture, only the shutter speed, because it's a fixed aperture. You need to crank up the ISO very high. As you see, I'm 6400 and shutter speed is 6. And I will show you something very cool. I'm turning between the two options and it gives a pretty cool style. You can use between the two options, for example. So let's see F90 and F45. And I have a kind of a double exposure image. I'm not sure if you can see when I'm changing. It's also changed. You can see on your scale it is underexposed or overexposed, so you have to be careful. The F90 is the pinhole, but is technically not a lens, but a clear round hole. The F45 is a pinhole sieve. It has a larger pinhole in the center and the smaller pinholes radiating away from the center. And the 22 is the zone plate and there is circular rings around the hole. 22. I'm playing around my shutter speed. Oh, I like the lights, the car. Look at that. Because the high aperture, make sure your camera sensor is super clean. Otherwise, you can get dirty pictures like this one. If I choose between the two options and I make double exposure, technically I can dual quattro exposure. Let's see, I'm on 45 and 22 between, and on the menu multi-exposure, double frame, and let's see. That's one expo, and two expo. Let's see underground. Oh, that's pretty cool. F90. For me, the F90 is the old school style of photography, and the 45 and the 22 is more like about the lights, how the lights reflects. This is a pretty cool location. Okay, the F90, I went down with the ISO. Okay, 1600. F45, let's see in video. I'm between F90 and 45. I like it this way. Let's try to rotate quick. As you can see, you can be very creative with this lens. I think that's it for today. If you have any further question, leave a comment below. You can find more details about the Lensbaby Obscura in the description. So check it out and see you in the next one. Bye.